Hi, welcome to Qualimet. My name is Chris and I'm the trainer here at Qualimet. Today we're going to talk a little bit about diffusible hydrogen in steel weldments and electrodes. This is a common thing, and I'm sure most of you may have even seen some diffusible hydrogen experiments before. Today though, we're going to do it a little different. What we're going to do is we are going to talk about how it relates to the packaging of the F4, more commonly referred to as low hydrogen electrodes. Not all F4 electrodes are sold and manufactured in hermetically sealed packaging. So what we're going to do today is we are going to take an electrode directly from a non-hermetically sealed package and an electrode directly from a hermetically sealed package, make a small weld. We're going to then quench that weld in some light mineral oil, and based on that you'll be able to see the rate of diffusion as the hydrogen bubbles escape that solid weldment. As you can see, if you focus in on this sample, there is hydrogen diffusion coming out of the weldments. Now this sample was completed with a hermetically sealed electrode. Now if we look at this sample, this was welded with a non-hermetically sealed electrode, and there is quite a bit more hydrogen diffusion comparative to the one done out of a hermetically sealed box. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration on hydrogen diffusion as it relates to the electrode packaging. I would like to invite you to please join us for upcoming videos where we continue to explore the world of welding and engineering. Now, if there are any topics you would like to see, please just post in the comments below and we'll see if we can make that happen for you. My name is Chris, and on behalf of myself and Qualimet, thanks for watching.
Cool. That was dead.